Okay, now let's take it to my Ebon, baby. EBON. All right, I placed some put options on it earlier. You know what I'm saying? Close those out. Might have closed it out a little too early, but I flipped it and placed some call options. And on top of that, I did my first covered call, baby, on Weeble. Okay, so a covered call, when you own 100 shares, you can sell a call option. I had to buy it this time, baby. I'm selling that. Okay, I'm in the selling process too, baby. So I sold me a call option because I owned 100 shares of Ebon, and it's a strike price of $7.50. Okay, now how that works is, as long as Ebon don't make it to $7.50, I'm good. I keep my premium. It's all good. Collections to me, baby. But if it does hit $7.50, the person who bought my call option contract will have the right to buy Ebon for $7.50. Okay, and that means I'm gonna lose my 100 shares. But I did it the last day because I knew Ebon was not gonna make it to $7.50. So long as it don't make it there in the last power hour, which is, I'm recording this right now, right before, I'm good to go, baby. So Ebon, my first covered call option with Ebon. Next gonna be AMC, baby. This is your update on my Ebon covered call option, baby. Okay, let's take it to the cover call. All right, and if you notice right here, it says I'm long on Ebon, and I have 100 shares, baby. Okay, and my total cost is $824. All right, for the 100 shares, that's how much I paid for them. All right, stock been dropping for the last month, hard. All right, but you see right here, I have a call option for $7.50, and then today, and you know what I'm saying, I sold it, and it's only $2. That $2 gain. Okay, but just to test it out for the first time, just to be safe. I know E-Bomb's not gonna make it to the $7.50. Just to test it out. Boom, $2 came straight into my account instantly to do what I want to do, just for owning those 100 shares. I could have made more if I'd have did a different call option or extended the date longer, baby. Okay, and if you notice right here, I am down total 40% in my E-bond call option. So this right here is gonna help ease the pain. I know it's just $2, but that's $2 I can make plus every single week. So it adds up, baby. You can do weekly options or monthly options. It depends on the stock and how it's traded on the stock market, baby. So this is my covered call example to help me eliminate my losses from E-bond down 40%. And I plan on buying some more to make more covered calls. I want another 100 shares, baby. I want a couple of hundred of them things. So that's what it is for the E-bond call option. Get into the game, baby, the stock market game, and be blessed to invest in yourself. I'm not no financial advisor. I'm just a money coach. I'm a dude who got fired from his job and was forced to go into the stock market with my 401k money, baby, and do what it do. So I'm here showing what I'm doing to hope it helps and motivate anybody to get into the stock market game, baby, because I am the money coach, baby, and be blessed to invest in yourself.